Hey guys, Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called MagicLinks, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to generate income online? Let's find out if it's legit. What is it all about? All right. If you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are a bit of a waste of time, okay? So let's check out MagicLinks to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money online or not. Maybe there are better ways out there, right? Now, what is MagicLinks? MagicLinks is basically an affiliate marketing platform, okay? It's a brand agency. They work with a lot of different companies all over the world, and you can essentially partner with them and generate commissions by referring other people's products, all right? So the way that this works is, you can see right here, there's creators and there's brands, right? So if you are a creator, you could come through and have a look at this, and you would basically log in and partner with one of their brands. Okay, you can click apply here, right? Some of the brands that they work with, okay, first of all, are in the lifestyle, the beauty, the fashion, the home, and the tech space. Let me just show you a few of the people that they work with. So really big household names that you probably already buy their products. Showpo, Sephora, Saks, Honeybum, L'Occitane, Nordstrom, Express, Target, Zappos, right? Beauty Bay, some very Net-a-Porter. Okay, so some of the biggest retail companies out there. So MagicLinks works with about 5,000 brands. Okay, so mainly retail brands selling a lot of physical products. Now, what they like to focus on is they like to focus on influencers that already have some sort of exposure. So maybe you're on Instagram, you're on YouTube, you're on TikTok, and you have already a following. They would like to work with you in order for you to basically, tap into their network of huge brands, and you can just market it. So I'll give you a perfect example, okay? So if you come right here, there's this lady here called Ashley Brooke. Okay, she's a big YouTube influencer. I mean, 460,000 subscribers. This particular video that she made about different sneakers and boots and stuff like that, 32,000 views. So what she has here is she has a bunch of magic links, okay? So magic links that lead directly to that specific product that she's marketing. Now, when somebody clicks on this, it goes to maybe this shop right here. So she's promoting an Everlane product, and when somebody clicks on the link, she generates a little bit of commissions for sending traffic to Everlane's website, okay? And if somebody buys from this page right here, then she will make a commission on that sale. Okay, now the commissions I'll talk about in a second, because it ranges from brands to brands, but I'll share that with you in a second. But that's essentially how it works, okay? So let me just show you some of the people that she works with, right? So Nordstrom, HP, Spanx, Origins, Lululemon. So a lot of the really big companies, which is pretty cool, okay? Now, the thing about physical products that you have to understand is that because there's a manufacturing cost, they can't pay you that much commissions because it costs money to produce a product. Now, if you compare this to Amazon Associates, for example, right? The Amazon Associates program, the commission rates are very low, like ridiculously low. They only pay between 3 to 5% commissions on the sale price. Okay, so think about that for a second. If you sell a $100 product as an affiliate who recommended someone to that particular product, you only make $3 to $5. That is so low, so difficult to get into profit. Now, with MagicLinks, they have somehow negotiated higher commission rates, okay? So with any of these products, it ranges between 10% and 20%. Now, for a physical item, 10 to 20% commissions is pretty high, okay? That's really decent. So if you sell a $100 product, on the lower side, 10% commissions, you make $10. So instead of making $3, you make $10. So that's like 3 times more than the Amazon Associates commissions rate. So I think MagicLinks has done a pretty good job of negotiating good rates, and giving a little bit more of their revenue to their affiliates and to their ambassadors, their brand promoters. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool, right? So I would say that if you are already an influencer, somebody that has a pretty decent following on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, then marrying MagicLinks into your business model is actually pretty easy, okay? Because if you're a YouTuber, right, you're already making money on your ad revenue that you're showing here, okay? But you can also recommend a product, do a product review or whatever it is, maybe a haul, right, of shoes, of tops, or whatever it is, and then you can leave your affiliate links, your magic links right here, and when somebody clicks on this, they will pay you a little bit of money, very small, for the traffic that you're sending, but a little bit more commissions, 10 to 20%, if somebody actually buys something from the actual brand's website, okay? Now, here's the problem with Magic Links, right? Unfortunately, if you're an absolute beginner, that means you've never made money through affiliate marketing before, or maybe you don't really have a big following, or maybe you do have a big following, but you're not in the lifestyle, beauty, fashion, home, or tech space, then Magic Links might not be the best, best place for you to go to, because you don't have the right following, so people aren't going to buy because you're not in the right category, right? Or number two, you don't even have a following, so it's going to be a bit difficult for you to create videos like this, right, for you to send people to, because you don't actually have a following. All right, now stick around if you're a beginner, because I'll show you a great way to still generate a lot of money through affiliate marketing towards the end of this video, so stick around, okay? Now, Magic Links pays out through PayPal on the 1st of every month. So I would say a pretty decent physical affiliate marketing network, okay? So if you're into lifestyle, beauty, fashion, home, and tech, they work with all of the big brands, Lacoste, Fendi, Adidas, right? ASOS, Backcountry, Nasty Gal, Everlane, Urban Outfitters. It doesn't get bigger than that. These are all big household names, right? And I think Magic Links is pretty cool. I think it's better than Amazon Associates, to be honest. Amazon Associates sells a lot of other stuff besides the categories that Magic Links sells in, right? So Magic Links has a much narrower category because Amazon does everything, okay? But the thing about Amazon is the commission rates are so low that I think it's going to be very difficult for you to generate big money selling Amazon stuff. With Magic Links, it's a little bit easier, but it's still not on the super high side because they partner with physical brands, right? Retail companies that sell physical products, and unfortunately, the commission rates on physical stuff is actually not super high, okay? Digital stuff is a lot higher. I'll show you where you can get access to that in a second if you want to check out. So, is Magic Links a good affiliate marketing platform? I think it's pretty good depending on what kind of marketer you are, okay? So there are a few caveats here. I think they're great if you are already an established influencer, right? If you already have a big following on YouTube, on Instagram, or TikTok, this is very easy. You can just plug it into your marketing, and you can make a little bit of extra money that way, right? Commissions aren't super high. They're okay, 10 to 20%, right? It depends on the retailer. Every single retailer or brand offers a different commission rate, but you can check it out, when you become a member of Magic Links, right? Membership is free, which is cool. I think it's much better than Amazon Associates, but their categories are much smaller, right? They only do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, home, and tech, something that you have to understand. If you're a beginner, this is not for you at all because they don't teach you how to become an affiliate marketer, unfortunately, right? They actually want to really partner with people that already have a following, people that have an audience, people who are already an influencer, and they've got a big group of people. So as a beginner, don't worry, stick around. I'll show you another option, okay? So I think Magic Links, not bad if you're the right person, all right? Now, if you're an absolute beginner, you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, you don't know how to promote products online, or maybe you're outside of lifestyle, beauty, fashion, home, and tech, right? But you still want to make money through affiliate marketing. I think that selling digital products is actually the better way to go. See, the problem with physical stuff, the commissions are just so small. Amazon 3 to 5%, Magic Links 10 to 20%, but digital stuff, if you know how to pick the right products, right? So digital courses, digital software, digital tools, the commissions are 40 to 80%, a lot higher, a lot easier to get into big profit. You don't have to sell as many units of that product to make the big profit, okay? So if you're a beginner or you're someone who is interested in transitioning to digital stuff, I think that that's really the way to go. Now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so-so, a lot of them though a big waste of time. But I think that if you're interested in doing affiliate marketing and you're interested in selling digital stuff where you can maximize your profits, click the link below and I'll share with you my masterclass that's going to show you exactly how to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum, much more depending on how much effort you actually put into the strategy. But if you want to check that out, it's a free masterclass, step by step. It's going to break it all down. You can check it out by clicking the link below. I hope you enjoyed this review of Magic Links. Pretty cool affiliate marketing network if you're in the right space, okay? And I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.